All right, thank you, Mary Mwoki, for that update. Of course, we'll be giving you more updates on that story. But away from that, residents of Busia County have been urged to support Alupe University College in Teso South by allowing their children to enroll at the facility. Former Teso South Member of Parliament Mary Emase and the college principal, Professor Fabian Esamai, urged the locals to take advantage of the institution instead of taking their children to other colleges which are far away.
Opportunities are rising from the establishment of this university. And I used to tell the people around here, you're going to become landlords. Let's support the university. Bring our children to enroll. So let them put up hostels, support the university, bring our students to enroll here, and work together. Students, you get this opportunity only once. Our parents struggle, they toil to make sure you are here and that you've gotten an opportunity to get this education. Make good use of this time.
Be advocates of Alupe University College in all fora. This is your university. It's not ours. Send your relatives and friends and their children to come and learn in Alupe University College because we have everything it takes to train them. Advocate for enhanced funding of the university in whatever capacity